Hello everyone. Today we are conduct the uses of ChatGPT in work life and software engineering. So let's go. Today we'll cover the introduction of ChatGPT, uses of it in work life, uses of it in software engineering. What is ChatGPT? So recent days we saw so many hype about OpenAI and ChatGPT things. So how it will works if suppose we give a request to him, then how it will give us the proper outcome. We can see it by use it in their website. So at first I would like to tell about something about ChatGPT. So Open AI is a research organization that aims to promote and develop friendly AI intelligence tool in a responsible way. So there are so many tools already built based on OpenAI data. ChatGPT is one of them. And the open source of the research and tool to make AI more accessible to the wider range of user and developers. So actually it is solving so many problems that we face in our real life, like search something, yeah, or we want to search a specific problem in Google or some search engine. So what will we will see that we want to search something, it will give us some link or some website reference of that topics, and we should go this type website to check that our relevant things is are there or not. So we consume so many times in between. So what ChatGPT does, like, it is working in based on two model. One is supervised learning and another one is unsupervised learning. So in ChatGPT, they already have large number of data set. So when we request something into it, based on our request, they try to serve our request by their existing dataset. When they find out the answer which is already have in their dataset, so they provide us the appropriate answer. But when we request something, it was not there or in their dataset, they try to experience the similar kind of things from other resources to give us the relevant result of a particular question. So uh, uh, how can we use ChatGPT in work life? So uh, when we see that in customer service, we are basically using chatbot and other related stuff. So how chatbot is working? Like we give it some request, and based on our request, it provide us some answers. So it is already predefined, we know. So when we give chatbot a unrealistic question, it is not serving as the proper data or something that we want to get. So on that situation, uh, we can integrate ChatGPT in chatbot, that when we request something to chatbot, when it will not give a proper answer to us, then under the hood it can request to ChatGPT that I want to get something similar like this. So it will serve our request under the hood by using ChatGPT and give a appropriate answer. So if we want to automate our customer service and like automate the customer service operation of our company, we can integrate ChatGPT in our software to serve customers or question, or customer request, something like that. Marketing and sales automation. This is very important thing nowadays. Like when we want to branding our company or something, we should reach out to people in social media and other stuff to engage people goodly. So like I want to create a campaign for a particular occasion or something, or particular event for our company. We should engage people in social media. For the reason, we want to post something in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media to reach people. So in ChatGPT, nowadays it will give us more easier way. Like we can generate content by using ChatGPT, and we can post it to other social media website by integrating their business API with our software. So like when we want to post something in social media, we just give ChatGPT a particular title. Based on this title, they will generate some content for us. And if we integrate LinkedIn or Facebook business API, then it will automatically post our content in a particular Facebook group or pages. Automate your Excel work. Like why we are using Excel to calculate something. So we can also integrate ChatGPT with Excel sheet, so that when we write some formula based on our needs, it will ChatGPT will take that parameter and process this data and give the answer to a Excel sheet, and it also is store this answer to a particular column as well. We recently in a particular work, I also integrate ChatGPT in a particular Excel sheet for serving our a specific client purpose as well. So writing documentation. So this is one of the important part of our work, like that we should write business documentation, also write a particular project documentations, and also documenting so many things. So for this thing, we can like uh, give it a particular question to the ChatGPT, then it will generate relevant content for us, and we can reuse it in our work purpose as well. So there are so many aspects in work life that ChatGPT yeah, already covered till now. So let's see, how can we use OpenAI in software engineering? So nowadays in software engineering, there are so many things are already done by ChatGPT that we can use in our regular life. Um, like generate boilerplate code. So as a developer, sometimes we feel that if we have some boilerplate code based in a particular framework or library or something like that, it will help us as well to complete a particular client project in the estimated time. So for these things, ChatGPT will help you goodly. Like when you ask ChatGPT that give me a CRUD operation in Express.js, so it will generate it automatically. So you can integrate it in your project as well. So you can reduce your time and effort that you should give when you like engage a project in initial phase. Research and compare. So recent hypes that I was see that ChatGPT also give the a exam of Google's level 2 level software developers coding interview as well. So in research and compare, how can we use it? Like we want to use a particular algorithm to solve a particular problem. So last day I uh, want to learn a particular algorithm called ride sharing algorithm. So in ride sharing algorithm, I saw that uh, we have to give a proper schedule or proper location to a particular rider so that he can efficiently get a passenger in his location. So for these things, I have to use Dijestra's algorithm for this. So when I write ChatGPT that I want to implement a ride sharing algorithm, he give me a way that you can use Dijestra's algorithm for this to solve this issue, or when you want to find the shortest part of this, you can use it. Explain the code. Sometimes we faces that when we are engaging in a particular project and also move on in another project at the same time. So on that time, when we want to implement something at first, we have to make ourselves used to with their code base at the same time. So sometimes saw that there are so many messy code there that we could not recognize. So in that case, when we give a particular code to ChatGPT, it will explain that what is the return or what is the output value of this code. Right test case. Test case is a important part of software engineering. Like when we complete a particular task, we have to give a this task to a peer review. So in peer review, when my team member also check that there is no bug here, so that we can merge our code with the original branch. So and also we merge this code with our original branch. After few days in productions, we saw that there are so many bugs all will happen because sometimes as a human we cannot identify all the things in time. So yeah, by using ChatGPT, we can write unit test for our project, and it will check all the test cases of your code, and when everything is accurate, then you can merge it with your original branch and merge it with your code in production as well. So in the meantime, you can get that 100% confident that your code is working properly, so you will not get any payload things in production in near future as well. Find bugs in your code. So as a tester, we have to tester or as a developer, sometimes we are getting stuck to solve a particular problem. Like uh, last day, I tried to solve a particular problem in my project using React.js. I saw that everything is working properly, but I didn't find that how API call is working on that specific time. So I cannot control it from myself. So I saw that there is a function called set timeout. So when I stop my operation on a silly point of time, then I saw that I recover my failure of API calling properly. So ChatGPT suggests me that you can write set interval or set timeout function in that situation to handle this type of things in your code base as well. Generate regexes. So we saw that as a developer, when we are working in authentication or some security level aspects in our project, we can use so many regexes that we can found in a particular website or something like that. But with all the regexes or the pattern of these regexes is not proper for our project at the same time. So in ChatGPT, we can tell it that generate regexes for this type of pattern. So it will give us the proper format that what is our actual need, and based on this, it on also generated this type of things. So yeah, nowadays some people worried about that my job is gone, software engineering field will replaced by AI. But from my point of view, I thought like it is a productivity tool for us, that we can like write repeated code or recurring code base by using ChatGPT to reduce our time and effort that we give in our project, and also we can bring success of our project and deliver it within the due time to the clients as well. Uh, so thank you. I already covered my today's topics, that what is ChatGPT, how it works, how can we use it in our work life, and as a software developer, how can you use it in your professional work as well by using ChatGPT.